I'm Wendy, and today I'm going to unbox a special box that I got from Miss Lisa Stroup. If you are not following her channel on here, you need to. Not only is she funny, she does a lot of unboxings. So let's get to it. And inside is jam-packed. First thing I'm going to pull out is a flashlight. I think between, there you go, it does that. Flashing light. And then a regular flashlight. This will come in handy for a little bit of everything. You can never have too many flashlights. Now next I'm going to pull out is Proactive Pore Targeting Treatment. Now you would think being 40, over 40, you wouldn't break out anymore. Wrong. Still break out. Terrible. Terrible, terrible. Oh, this box just keeps on. Keeps on with the goodies. Let's see what's in here. Oh, she shared the lovies. Did you know if you put this stuff in a bird soot feeder, you can put it out there for the birds so they can make their nest? Just a little FYI. And the first thing I see is this little letter. Oh, and there's a goodie in there. And it says, "My dearest, weirdest, best new friend. Please enjoy the small gifts and the attached present. I adore you. Keep growing your channel. Love, Lisa." Aw. So in here, so you see, she has just got this packed full of goodies. Let's see, we'll do the lipstick first. This is a color. Ooh. Looks very pretty. I'll show you right here. Yep. I will use that color. Unless my teenager steals it from me. Which might happen. And next up we have a Vino Daily Moisturizing Body Yogurt. Who can't use lotion? Slather it on after a bath or a shower. This is good stuff. Next up in here is another body cream by Mayfair.